Here's how to test and use free expert advisors on the MetaTrader 4 platform. What you want to do is go to your terminal, go to your trading, your terminal box, and go to Market. And once there, you can be able to select different types of expert advisors. Now, I'm not telling you to buy any of these, but for me, when using free ones, you can see how they program it or see how they trade, so it can also use towards your own trading style. Now, we're going to go through a bunch of the free ones, and a lot of these you can use on live accounts, some only during strategy tester or back testing, and some only on demo accounts. So you got to see some of the stuff about them, but the good thing is that you can see some of the free ones, and during these free ones, you can also use their way they program to create your own strategies or modify your own. So while we're here, we can see the zigzag with RSI, we have the dark moon, and there's a couple of ones I've shown in other videos, but let's try out something like this, like the super trend EA. So the super trend EA, make sure before getting into it, you read about it. It says all the trades, stop loss, take profit, trading stop loss, minimum trade deposit is $100. Default settings on AUD USD, 30 minutes. So let's test this out. For example, we hit open. I think I've already downloaded this one here. Let me try. We look for Super Trend EA. All you have to go to here is your market. We go to Super Trend EA. We'll check out the default. It said AUD USD. Okay. Where is Australian dollar USD? We'll just try it on the 1 hour and let's see how it works. Let's get rid of the market. Now this is what you guys can do just to increase your skill in programming. Just seeing how things program, how they use indicators. You may not be able to read the software, the data on it, but what you can do is look at how it trades and you guys be able to manipulate it. And, I see it as using the super trend. So let's see how it does. Now, super trend is a really good indicator to get in and out of trades. So it'll be like red as getting in the trade, blue exiting, or vice versa. So it's a very easy indicator to use. If you combine it with like a volume indicator or combine it with other indicators, it can be a pretty powerful trading setup. So just got to be very cognitive of how it's used and its downfalls and its ups and downs. So when we zoom out, you guys can't see yet. Let's make it over here. And we'll change up the view a little bit. Now let's see if it takes a trade, and if it does, let's zoom out to see what other indicators it's using. Or if it shows or not. So it took one trade here, and it's interesting. Look, if you look at the trader here, it took a 0.1 sell, and then it took another sell, double sell. So a exited, not too bad. And very interesting how it took those two sells, but this is interesting indicator slash expert advisor. Oh wow. So it looks like it buys and sells at the same time, which is fairly interesting. Let's go back to that position over here. So it took a sell, it was wrong, but also took a buy, which has to be a little bit higher in lot size. So it took a big loss and a partial win, so overall loss. Let's see what it does. And then took a loss on that buy. Good win. Taking a loss. It's not doing so bad so far, but if you watch it a couple hundred trades to see what it does, and Remember, guys, this is a free expert advisor. Doesn't mean it has to make a lot of money. Just it is what it is. A very simple way of trading. And you guys can program like this to see how you guys can trade better. Okay. But yeah, that's the video, guys. No code involved. Just showing you guys how to use this expert advisor and how to use the market tool and how to use it in your strategy tester. Have a wonderful day.